Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use goals in Asana. If you're managing projects and want to align your team's work with bigger objectives, Asana's goals feature helps you set clear targets and break them down into manageable sub-goals that everyone can track. Let's start by opening Asana in your browser. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see various navigation options. Look for the Plan section, which is marked by a triangle icon. Click on it to expand the menu, and from there, select Goals. This takes you to the Goals dashboard where you can see all your existing goals and create new ones. Now, to create a new goal, click the Add Goal button located at the top right corner of the Goals page. This opens up the goal creation interface where you'll define what you want to achieve. In the goal title field, type a clear, specific name for your goal. For example, you might enter something like Launch Website MVP to represent a major project milestone. This title should be descriptive enough that anyone on your team immediately understands the objective. Next, you'll see a time period field. Asana often suggests a default time frame such as H2FY25, but you can adjust this to match your actual planning cycle. Once you've confirmed the time period, click Continue to move to the next step. You'll now land on a screen that asks you to give your goals some sub-goals. This is where you break down your main objective into smaller, actionable pieces. In the goal title field for your first sub-goal, type something specific like Complete Homepage Design. These sub-goals act as checkpoints that help you track progress toward your larger goal. If you want to add more sub-goals, simply continue adding them one by one. For instance, you might include Finish User Registration Flow or Deploy to Live Server. Each sub-goal should represent a concrete deliverable or milestone. Don't forget to confirm the time period for each sub-goal to ensure they align with your overall timeline. Once you've added all your sub-goals, click the Create One Goal button or whatever variation appears based on how many goals you've set up. This finalizes the creation process and saves everything to your Asana workspace. After creating your goals, you'll be taken to a strategy map view. This visual interface shows your main goal at the center with all your sub-goals linked beneath it, making it easy to see how individual tasks connect to your broader objectives. This view is incredibly useful for keeping your team aligned and motivated as they work towards shared outcomes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.